Hello, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve this June Leetcode challenge problem. That is 2 sum 2 and input array is sorted. So the problem is that given an one index array of integer numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, that means increasing order, and find two numbers such that they added up to a specific target, and we'll have to return that index as a +1 format. I mean that normal this array we have been 0 index format, normal case is given, but there isn't given as a 1 index format. Suppose first one, that is it will be given as a 1, not the 0. So that is the 1 index form. So how I am approaching that, so let's find that. Yeah, hold on. I have been taking that another 2 7 11 15 and 9. Okay. I have an array that is suppose 2 7 11 and 15, suppose, and target is given as that is 9. So my approach is that that is 2 7 11 and 15. So my approach is that there is an, I have been pointing, that one is given as an starting pointer, and I have been ending, that is an with another pointer. So I have been approaching through the 2-pointer approach, basically 2-pointer approach. So how I am trying to do that, basically that was that index is basically 0 1 2 and 3. So I have been comparing with 0th position value and last position value that was given. So here the third case, and sorry, what is, and after that if I have been adding with that, after adding with that, if the 2 plus 15, so what is that is 17, it is greater than that, it is greater than our target. So I have been decrementing the ending pointer, that here. So after that, that is 2 plus 11, so that is 13. So same, that is greater than that, so I have been decrementing that 2 here. So after that 2 plus 7, so that is 9. So I found that my target value, so I returned that. So I will be returned, so I will return that here I am finding that 0 plus 1, but the array is given as a 1 index format. So I previously said that 1 index format is if the 0 has been given, in that case 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So basically the output format is 1 plus 2. So that is will be the answer. That will be the answer. So I am in dry running with another case, and then after that I have been trying to implement that. Suppose I have a array with that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I need that the suppose 15, my target is given as that is 15. So how I will approach that, so as previous I have been pointing that one and that one, sorry, Yeah, so 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8, that is basically 9. So it is 9 is less than 15, so that pointer is being incremented to here. So 2 plus 8, that is 10. So same here, less than, so it will be incremented to there. So 3 plus 8, that will be 11. So 11 is same here, so it will be incremented. 4 plus 8, that is 12. Same, 12 is less than 15, so it will be incremented to that 5, where 5 is present. 8 plus 15, that is 13. 13 is less than 15. Same here, so that is there. Then 6 plus 8, that is 14. So 14 is basically so here same. So after that 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. So 15 is basically found that 15. So I found that position. So basically that position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So found there where. So basically the left pointer is right now there 6, and the right pointer still from the starting, that is be presenting that 7. So according to the one index concept, that is a 7 and 8 position, that will be the answer. So right now I have been trying to implement that, and basically there I am not taking any the extra space. So basically the space complexity is order of 1. There is a constant space complexity, and I am also approaching my problem to solve there as a 2-pointer approach. So there will be 1 times traversal in this array. So basically the time complexity is order of n. So where n is equals to the length of the array, So right now I am trying to solve that problem as a coding format. Yeah. Here the left pointer is 0 I have been taking, and integer right is equals to numbers of size -1, that is last pointer. And here the 2-pointer concept, that until left is less than the right, I am integer sum is equals to numbers of left plus numbers of right if the sum is greater than the target. So it will be return that it will decrement the right pointer. Else if sum is less than the target, that is left plus plus, and otherwise case, that means I found the target. So in that case I will be directly return the left plus 1, as according to say that this is a 1 index array. So basically left plus 1 and the right plus 1, and I'll have to return something. So in that case I have been founding that, but otherwise case I am returning as a null vector. So let's try to check that is it okay or not, is any compile time error or not. Oh, here it's got accepted as a run code, and try to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted.